vocab score. Welcome back to 5am English Teacher. Today I am here with letter H. Hacked. Gain unauthorized access to a system or account. Example, someone hacked into my email last night. Hacked. Example, someone hacked into my email last night. Hunter. A person or animal that hunts for food or sport. Example, the hunter followed the deer silently through the forest. Hunter. Example, the hunter followed the deer silently through the forest. Humble. Having or showing a modest or low view of one's importance. Example, she remained humble despite her fame. Humble. Example, she remained humble despite her fame. Honor. High respect or esteem. Example, it's an honor to receive this award. Honor. Example, it's an honor to receive this award. Hollow. Having a space inside or empty. Example, the tree trunk was hollow. Hollow. Example, the tree trunk was hollow. Houses. Plural of house. Buildings where people live. Example, the village was filled with small white houses. Houses. Example, the village was filled with small white houses. Happen. To take place or occur. Example, accidents can happen anywhere. Happen. Example, accidents can happen anywhere. Humor. The ability to find things funny, the quality of being amusing. Example, he has a great sense of humor. Humor. Example, he has a great sense of humor. Herbal. Relating to or made from plants. Example, she prefers herbal teas to coffee. Herbal. Example, she prefers herbal teas to coffee. Hiccup. A sharp involuntary sound made by a sudden closing of the vocal cords. Example, he drank too fast and got the hiccups. Hiccup. Example, he drank too fast and got the hiccups. Helium, a light, colorless, non-flammable gas used in balloons. Example, the balloon floated because it was filled with helium. Helium. Example, the balloon floated because it was filled with helium. Hunger, the physical sensation of needing food. Example, after the long hike, hunger kicked in. Hunger. Example, after the long hike, hunger kicked in. Handle, to manage, deal with, or be responsible for. Example, can you handle the pressure of this job? Handle. Example, can you handle the pressure of this job? Helmet, a protective covering for the head. Example, cyclist must wear helmet for safety. Helmet. Example, cyclist must wear helmet for safety. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this every week. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thank you.